Hello everyone! Bumalik na naman kami dito sa Discovery Primea Makati. But this time, naka-check-in na kami sa 2-bedroom unit nila. Once you've entered the room, ang una niyong makikita is yung office desk. Pag lumingon naman kayo dito sa left, andito naman yung very spacious na living area na perfect talaga pag meron kayong maraming bisita or mag-host kayo ng malaking party. Dito naman sa dulo, yung kitchen and yung dining area. What I really like about this kitchen is kumpleto sila sa appliances such as microwave, washing machine, toaster, stove, and even a fridge. Ang dining area naman can accommodate up to 4 people. Dito naman sa hallway na to, it leads us to, of course, our guest bathroom. Ang guest bathroom natin is super spacious and syempre meron ding shower, so it is not just a powder room. Dito naman, sa master's bedroom natin, you can really see na kung gaano kalawak din yung space dito, and it comes with a king-size bed. Of course, meron ding ensuite toilet and bath with his inner sink and a bathtub na merong TV. Dito naman sa guest bedroom, may dalawang twin-size bed na perfect talaga if may kasama kayo. Ito naman sa view ng bedroom ay makikita ninyo ang subdivision ng Makati, and syempre puro greenery, and of course, hotel's very own heated pool. Dito naman sa heated pool na to, syempre, nag-swimming ulit kami dito. Super na-enjoy talaga namin yung stay namin dito before, and now na-enjoy ulit namin ngayon.